You guys, welcome back. Just a few days away now from the summer solstice, I'll be grilling up something tasty to welcome this summer season. Today I'll be making lemongrass beef skewers called Jakak. Savory, sweet, and packed with aroma from the herbs used. Perfect for grilling in this warm weather. Let's get started. For the marinade, we'll need an herb paste called Kroeung. It's the basis of many Cambodian dishes, vibrant flavor and aroma. Mince your ingredients well first, before pounding for a smoother and less fibrous paste. For beef, I'm using sirloin steak tips, but many people use chuck for these skewers. Slice on an angle, against the grain, not too thin or thick, like this. To assemble the marinade, in goes the herb paste, oyster sauce, fish sauce, honey, paprika powder, granulated chicken flavor soup base mix, salt, and this common roast pork seasoning mix, which can be found in your local Asian grocery store. It has savory barbecue flavored spices and is used to make traditional red roast pork, but today we're using it on these beef skewers. A bit of coconut milk for a comforting aroma, and oil. Mix well. Taste and adjust the marinade to your liking. It should be savory and sweet. In goes the beef, mix well. Marinate at least for 4 hours, but for best results, marinate it in the fridge overnight. Soak bamboo skewers in water for as long as you marinate the beef. These have been marinating for at least 4 hours. Let's make the skewers. It's the aroma, which reminds me of the Solar New Year in April. The New Year festival is lined with vendors selling these skewers, filling the air as you enter the festival grounds. Grilling on high heat is a must for the best smoky flavor. I'm using foil because I'm using a public grill. If you're using foil, make sure to poke lots of holes and slits to allow the heat to sear the meat and prevent the meat from steaming in any liquid. We want to develop a bit of sear and char for enhanced flavor. They only take a couple of minutes on each side. Here we have it, lemongrass beef skewers, served with rice and green papaya pickle, which I have a video on how to make. Combine with your favorite herbs. The skewers have a comforting lemongrass taste and aroma and are so savory and a bit sweet. You can also take a warm toasted croissant and make a tasty sandwich. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit that like button, and I'll see you all in the next video. Be safe, everyone.